Look at that. You see that? Hey guys, welcome to Music and Royalties Explained. The name is Kimali and I'll be your host for today. If it is your first time on the channel, please feel free to subscribe, like, share, and leave all comments in the comment section. I actually did this video a couple days ago. However, I lost every single aspect of it, so maybe most of the stuff that I go through now, I may not cover everything, because the video that I did the other day was perfect. This one I'm not so sure, so I'll just go through as best as possible for you guys. So as the title suggests, how to get in the Spotify algorithm and earning up to 200,000 streams per a week.
Yeah, boy.
And that's what I'll be doing today, giving you guys all the information and all the things that I use. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so right here I'm on DistroKid, and DistroKid is one of the distributor that I use to distribute my music. And this account is about 6 months old and I haven't been really using it. However, it has 12 songs on it. Okay, so if you notice, I got 21,000 streams yesterday, and for the last 7 days I've got 218,000 streams. For the last 30 days I've got 732,000 streams. So you see, it must be going well.
Well, well.
I make a lot of money. What I say? Lot of money. You know what I'm saying?
And I'm going to draw this up. So this is the 23rd of April, 25th of April, 21,000, 24th, 22,000, 23, 28,000, 22, 30,000, 21, 32,000. So you see, these are the number of streams I'm getting on a daily basis. Now, how did I achieve all this? First of all, guys, you really need a Spotify for Artists account. You're gonna get your Spotify for Artists account, and then you're gonna claim your artist name. Now, this is one of the names that I go under. This is my artist, one of my artist profile, right? And if you notice, as I tell you, it's 10 songs that's on it. And these are the number of streams on the songs. Okay. Now, what do you need a Spotify for Artists page for? This is how you're gonna attract Spotify for them to put you on playlists. Once you claim your Spotify for Artist profile, you're going to go to the About section. So once you have the artist profile and everything, you're going to go to your About section. Okay? You're gonna add some pictures right here. This profile needs a lot of work right now. So you're gonna add some pictures in your gallery. And I'm talking about pictures that has to do with your music and is going to make you look good. All right, in the bio section, you're going to add all the things that you have accomplished during your music during your music journey, and all the artists that you perform with. If you have been featured on any radio stations, you're featured in mixtapes, any collaborations, stuff like that. If you have been placed on any charts, you're going to put all your accomplishment in this. You're going to do it in a professional manner that makes them want to just keep reading. All right. The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to go right here where you see more information. When you add your social media pages here, they're going to see more professionalism from you. Okay. If you are performing at any concerts and stuff like that, you want to add all of those stuff in the area that it says concert. All right, and then I'm going to show you the reason why I say all that. Now, if you notice, this is for the last 28 days. So I got 772,000 streams for the last. I show you guys all that already. All right, and if you notice, see, these I got like 20, 30,000. These are on a daily basis. All right, and the algorithm playlist, they're picking up on the algorithm playlist. These are the past couple of days as well, as I tell you guys. But let me get back to why I'm telling you guys that you need a Spotify for Artists. And this is the first thing of getting a lot of streams. I want you to take heed. I want you to really look and take heed of what I'm telling you. All right. So I'm gonna click right here. This is the home page of the Spotify for artists. You're gonna click on music, right? You're gonna click on upcoming. When you click right here, this is where when you release a new song, Spotify is gonna add that new song right in this area right here. No, the first thing to know before releasing your song to Spotify or with the distributor, you want to make sure you release your song as a pre-order. What do I mean by a pre-order track? That means you're going to release it you're going to have it being released in advance, meaning the date that is set for it is like 2 weeks ahead. The best way is like 2-3 weeks ahead. You know what I mean? So say for example, today is the 26th. You want to release that song, let's say the 15th or the 10th of next month. That giving it enough time for them to actually go to your song and listen to your song and decide if it's a good song for their playlist, because your song is going to be right here. You're going to submit it to Spotify, so to the Spotify editors. However, when those editors go on your song, they're going to see what kind of music it is. They're going to see what the music is about. They're going to see what kind of instruments were in the music. They're going to see the mood of the music or the song which you're submitting for playlist consideration. However, you have to be professional. You have to be professional. You have to make sure they're going to ask you about the song. You want to make sure whatever you're writing, it is professional. You want to actually even talk about yourself a bit. So, I've recently been featured in this. Don't lie. My recent song was played on this or such radio station or something. You want to give the good things, what the good things that are happening for you, and then you want to tell them the reason why you came up with this song, what was the whole concept behind the song and everything. You get what I mean? And when you have a profile which is professional, they see your bio look good, you got some decent pictures on the profile, your social media pages are linked on the profile and so forth, they're gonna take this song into consideration. And once the song is well structured, well mixed, well mastered, then that's all you get on these Spotify playlists. But first of all, you gotta make sure that your profile is professional. You gotta make sure everything that you write within submitting your track, it's professional. You want to give the best of you. You want to give them the best of you. You're selling yourself. You're selling your music to these people. You get what I mean? And that's the way or you are going to get in the Spotify playlist. So we're through with submitting to Spotify. The next step that you want to take is you want to go over to this website, and it's called dailyplaylist.com. Now this website is totally free. It doesn't cost a dime. All the persons who are on this website right here, these persons just upload their playlist there, and they try to find other persons to add to these playlists. Once your song is perfect for their playlist, then you can add it. What happens is, once you create an account right here, you're going to put the URL for the song right here, and it's going to take you to the different playlists, and then you could submit it to a playlist. All right? Because I don't want to do that right now, I'm just going to show you a few. The thing about this is, once you're on the website and you submit your song to these playlist editors, if they like the song, they'll add it to their playlist. If they don't like the song, they won't add it to their playlist. So that's the advantage and the disadvantage. It's not guaranteed that they will add you to their playlist. If you notice, I submit this song 22 different persons, and one person declined it already. So I'm still waiting these persons to add it to their playlist. And you notice I've submitted songs like 85 times. On this one, I submitted to 10. One playlist approved it. I got 10 depending, and I also have two which declined. So two persons declined the song because I do reggae. Most of these playlists are like hip hop and all of that stuff. And all you got to do is just go there, put in your song, submit it. So if you notice, 2% accept it right here, 2% accept this one right here, and this is totally free. You got most of the playlists that are here. There are some huge playlists, you got some small playlists. All you got to do is just go there, submit your song and so forth. You could host like a contest if you want to build your your playlist and so forth, and this is totally free. It's called dailyplaylist.com, and I'll leave the link in the comment section. Let's say you got a little money to spend, all right? You could go over here, and this website is called Playlist Push. All right, I don't want to go in it right now, but I want you to check it out. Playlist Push, you could create a campaign, and based on the audience that you want, you could target your audience and decide where you want your audience to view your music from, and then you could come up with the budget. So the more places you put and so forth, the more the budget gets bigger. So this is the next website that you could use to boost your Spotify. My next website now is Submit Hub, and this I'm sure a lot of persons may know about. So this is the next website that you could consider to use as well to boost your music, and that's if you have a little money to spend. I'm showing you guys everything. I'm not leaving out anything today, so you guys have the whole entire thing. You know exactly what to do the next time you're releasing your song. The next thing that you guys will really need to do is join your social media pages, groups in the social media pages. I'm talking about Facebook. Make sure when you're on Facebook, you join the Facebook groups that has to do with Spotify. You want to build a relationship with these persons. You don't want to go and just spamming. You don't want to spam persons. You want to join these Facebook, Spotify groups. You want to build relationships. You want to talk to persons there because they got playlists. Some of these playlists may be small, some of them are huge, but these persons, people support their playlists. You want to share your songs in these Facebook groups. And once you share your songs in these Facebook groups, it will grow over time. But most of all, you need to build a relationship with these persons. Now I'm going to show you a next way of really getting into some Spotify playlists, which works for a lot of persons. A lot of persons use this technique, even though it's a little bit difficult, and you got to build relationships as well. First impression last. You have to know how to talk to people. You don't just want to go to them and just ask them to put your song in their playlist, or just spamming them in their email and saying, hey, my new track just released, can you add it to your playlist? No, nobody will do that. You have to build relationship. You have to build trust. You have to make it seems like you guys know each other for a very long time. You have to like these person's playlists. You have to share their playlists. Now I'm going to show you my last strategy of getting into a lot of Spotify playlists. So this is my last strategy. And what you're going to do is you're going to download the Spotify app on your computer. Then you're going to go there and you just, let's say you want to do hip hop, but for now I'm just going to use this. So right here, this is a playlist right here, and this is a rap hip hop playlist. Now what you're going to do is you're going to type in whatsoever kind of music you're looking for up here. So it may be rap, hip hop, dancehall, reggae, pop, whatsoever it may be, and you're going to look for the playlist. Once you find all these different types of playlists, this playlist has 57,000 followers. Now what you're going to do right up here, you're going to find their information. So this person is actually on IG. Okay, so this person is on Instagram. So what you're going to do is you're going to look for the person's name on Instagram, and here's his name. So you're going to look for this person on Instagram and you're going to contact them. Okay, but this is what you're going to do. You don't want to just go on there and just tell them that, look, your new song is released, if they could add it to your playlist and stuff. No, you're going to go there, you're going to follow that person. Once you follow that person, you're going to start liking their stuff. You may share their stuff on your storyline and so forth. Build a relationship with them. Talk to them. You know what I mean? Then you could say, I do music as well. This is the type of music that I do. You could listen to it and tell me what you think about it and so forth. So you just don't want to go and ask them to just put it on their playlist. Build a relationship with them. Talk to them for a couple of days, and then you could just slowly tell them, this is my new song. I don't know if you have any time, you could actually listen to it, and if you like it, you could actually add it to your playlist. You know what I mean? So you have to build a relationship with them. That's the main thing. Build relationship. You don't want to spam persons because they won't add you. You know what I mean? They won't do it. So I hope that was helpful for you guys, and I'm telling you, these are the things that I do. I these are the things that I do. I won't hide anything from you guys. These are the stuff that I do. I contact a lot of persons, I build relationships and all that stuff, and all of a sudden all these persons just add me to their playlist and so forth. So that's how I've achieved all this. And I'm just going to show you guys a little peek. I'm just going to show you a little peek. I'm just going to show you a little peek, because I know talking, a lot of persons will think that I'm just saying this stuff and I'm not earning. So let me show you something. I'm just showing you guys a little peek. I don't want to show you guys too much. Look at that. You see that? All right. Have yourself a lovely day. It was a pleasure sharing all this information with you guys. I hope you guys will subscribe, and I will be sharing my journey earning throughout the years. And I hope that you guys will join me on this journey as I show you guys my earnings and all of that stuff in the coming videos. And if there's anything else that you really want to know, feel free to leave your questions in the comment section and I'll get to you guys. Thank you for making it Music and Royalties Explained, and I'll see you guys in the next video.